Hi viewers, everyone, welcome to my video Harvest Finance, Farm Coin, basic information, important technical analysis, price prediction, update, forecast, quick update. Harvest Finance last 24 hours time of recording this video. Price increase of 5%. Current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Trading above stable coin, long-term trending bullish zone, trading above. Currently near overbought position, momentum rising, upside price will increase, rise. Binance listed coin trading Binance. It mean hold profitable. Harvest Finance last 1 month performance 15 days positive growth 50% performance last 1 month 15 days positive growth 50% performance last 1 month. Farm coin price volatility 30% extremely high volatility last 1 month. 30% price volatility, extremely high volatility last 1 month. Fear and greed index 75, 24-hour trading volume 37 million, market cap 60 million, market dominance, Harvest Finance 0.01%. Harvest Finance highest price, high cycle, last cycle low price 118 USD. Current circulating supply, Harvest Finance 6,85,000 farm. Out of supply 6,91,000 farm. Current daily supply inflation rate 0.57%. It means 3,900 farm created last 1 year. Farm coin last 1 year price increase of 140%. Last 1 year price increase of farm coin 140%. Against Bitcoin price increase of 75% last 1 month. Farm coin 17 cryptocurrency exchanges listed 20 pairs. Binance listed coin trading Binance, guia.io, crypto.com, Mexi, Coinbase, famous cryptocurrency exchanges listed. Harvest Finance general price prediction sentiment bullish. 20 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish buy signal and 7 signaling bearish sell signal. Currently RSI relative strength index momentum value around 61-65 indicates Harvest Finance market near overbought position, momentum rising, upside price will increase, rise. Currently RSI around 61-65. Currently trading above 200-day SMA, simple moving average, EMA, exponential moving average, trading above stable coin, long-term trending bullish zone, trading above. Currently 50-day SMA, EMA, this indicator signaling bullish buy signal, short-term trending bullish buy signal. Currently daily lower SMA, SMA 5 signaling bearish sell signal, other SMA, EMA signaling bullish buy signal. 21-10-3, EMA 21-10-3 signaling bullish buy signal. SMA 5 signaling bearish sell signal. Weekly SMA, EMA 150-21 signaling bullish buy signal. Support levels, entry points 78 USD, 70 USD. Strongest support level, entry point 55 USD. Resistance levels 100 USD, 110 USD and 125 USD resistance levels. Based on farm coin forecast, current technical indicator sentiment overall bullish. Time of recording this video, technical indicator sentiment bullish. Trading above stable coin, long-term trending bullish zone. Binance listed coin trading Binance. It means hold profitable. Harvest Finance farm coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.